Hi everybody, thank you so much for your support and all those things. So you discuss me, you just comment me on my comment box. What about that electrical quantities? So that's why I made that making that video. So this type of questions are very critical. Whenever we are discussing about electrical charges, that is nothing but the basic knowledge. Basic knowledge is very important for discussion about the electric charges and what they are make. What is their contribution whenever the electric flow is flowing from the one position to the another position. That is what I am going to discuss over here. Okay? So first of all, we are going to discuss about electrical charge. Yes. So you may have heard about one coulomb. You know that type of how many electrons are participate in one coulomb charges. You know that you hear those type of quantities in many other books. First of all, whenever we are discussing it in 12th standard physics, yes. These all type of quantities you may have heard, but you don't know the proper, that type of proper meaning, what is their contributing. So let's start and let's begin about the contribution about this most important electrical quantity. Yes. So first of all, we are discussing about electrical charge. Yes. So many things are under this electrical charge. This is nothing but basic knowledge about electrical charge. So except that electrical charge, you cannot explain electricity. Yes or no? Yes guys. So these are the basic charges. Okay. So let's begin with this. So you know that. So electrical charge is nothing but the, what is that? That is nothing but the physical quantity. Yes, physical quantity of matter. What is the first thing in your mind whenever you are discussing about electrical charge? It is nothing but the, it is what? Physical quantity. Yes, physical quantity. Physical quantity of matter. Yes, this is the most and very important sentence about explanation about the electrical charge. It's nothing but the what? It is a physical quantity of matter. Yes, and what is the second thing we have to discuss about this? It is nothing but whenever you just put the electrical charge with that type of force. Yes, whenever you put the electrical charge with the flow with the force, so it will react. Yes, it will react on that, and it can that type of response give us whenever you are just putting that in what, whenever you put that in any force of attraction or any charges, so it will get moved. Yes, that is what I am going to do. So let's discuss about the next definition about this, guys. So this is a second statement whenever we are discuss about electrical. What is the second statement, guys? That cause it to experience a force. Yes, whenever you are putting that with the electronegative field, that type of field is there. So you know that field. So electromagnetic field. You know the electromagnetic field. Yes, that type of field is generated whenever it plays. So where it going to place, where we are going to place that electrical charge with electronegative field. You know that type of field, what type of field, that type of basic knowledge about the field. So let's discuss about the second, type of second, the second type or second statement about the electrical charge. So it causes it to experience a force. Yes, so ये क्या करेगा? It's experience force. ये क्या करेगा guys? ये experience करेगा किसको? Force को experience करेगा when it going to that type of experience, when it's going to experience itself when placed in an electronegative field. So जब भी आप इसको any field के अंदर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव फील्ड के अंदर इसको प्लेस करोगे, ठीक है, सो ये क्या करेगा? उसके अंदर रिस्पॉन्स करेगा और उसको क्या करेगा? नो दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हैपन. Yes, so these are the two main important statements whenever you are discussing about the electrical charge. So it is a sub part of what electrical quantities and their units. So you know that unit 1 coulomb is nothing but a 6.242 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Yes, and next thing about that electrical charge is nothing but the positive charge. Yes, it is positive charge and it is negative charge. Yes, these are the most important charges whenever we are discussing the electrical charge. Yes, sometimes it is positive charge and it is negative charge. So these are two charges of electricity, positive charge and negative charge. So we are just moving the forward, and just note down this. This is a very important information whenever you are dealing with the electricity or whenever you are studying the electrical quantities. So note down this so we can further move next topic. So just note down this, guys. These are most important. So you have to just write down with the red pen. You just use red pen. Here you just use red pen, blue pen and black pen for making of your notes. You have to make your proper notes with this YouTube channel, with this video. Then you can use it after 2 years, after 10 years. So it will remain same, and your concept will not vanish. Yes. So that is what you have to manage that with the two pens, 3 pens, red pen, blue pen and black pen. So most important thing, you have to write with the red pen. So some part of that you have to write with the blue pen, or examples, sometimes examples are there, so you have to write an example with this black pen. So use that manner while writing your notes. It will help you a lot. So let's move forward, guys. So note down this. So let's move further. Okay? So remember the point number 3. What we have discussed in point number 3. There are positive charge and there are negative charge present in any atom. So whenever positive charge are there, so you can call it as a proton, and whenever negative charge is there, you can always call it as a electron. So right now or after that, there are two conditions arrive. So first condition is what? When in any atom protons are greater than electron, then what happened? Protons, so greater than electron, then what happened? It is nothing but the negative charge atom. Yes, अगर किसी एटम हिंदी में समझा तो अगर किसी एटम के अंदर प्रोटॉन की नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन ज़्यादा रहेंगे एज कम्पेयर टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो उसको क्या बोलोगे आप? हाईली इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटेनिंग एटम. तो हाईली इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटेनिंग एटम को बोलोगे आप. और इसके अपोजिट अगर मैं देखूंगा, अगर प्रोटॉन क्या है, कम है एज कम्पेयर टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो उसको क्या बोलोगे? हाईली पॉजिटिव चार्ज एटम. पहली कंडीशन क्या थी? पहले व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन गाइस? व्हेन द प्रोटॉन्स आर ग्रेटर देन इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट एटम इज अ हाईली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव. Sorry, that atom is a highly electronegative. किसी एटम के अंदर अगर प्रोटॉन ज़्यादा हो जाता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाता है, उसको बोलोगे हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. अब सेकंड कंडीशन क्या है? Whenever we are discussing with the second condition, when the number of protons are less as compared to number of electrons, that atom is a highly electropositive. So that subsequences are depend or decide what kind of charge will satisfy this atom. Yours first condition was when the number of protons are greater as compared to number of electrons, so it will charge negative. It will always be a negative. Or when the number of protons are less as compared to number of electrons, is nothing but a highly positive. So yes sir, these are most important condition you have to understand, you have to by heart, so you can easily crack electrical charge. So we will discuss about next video about electrical current. So stay tuned guys, we will discuss deeply about electrical current after the electrical charge. So मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर गाइस.